Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, good whatever time of day it may be for you. It's the Layback Gamer, and we return to Ratchet and Clank, the very first game. And here we go into, well, last time we left off, we had just finished Eudora, the logging site, and we are now on our way. Well, as soon as we land, we are going to be immediately leaving. Leaving this nice bright world and going to a more darker one. Not dark as in, it is really dark theme, dark setting, just dark story going on there. Just not as bright. We are going to Nebula, I think it was Nebula N34. I just saw the name and I already forget, but we are going to the Blarg Station to try to see if any of the scientists know where Chairman Drek is. Now, unfortunately, I wasn't able to find a capture card that I was looking. Well, I did find a capture card, but I wasn't ready to buy it at the time. And then when I was, well, unfortunately, it was already sold. So, damn, I didn't want to break that. I want to go show you guys something really cool. If you walk up to one of these, go in look mode. Look at that. Pretty neat, eh? I think it's the same for all of them. Might be a different picture. Now, I'm sad to say that I don't actually remember exactly who that is. I know it was an Insomniac. It was somebody who worked on the games. It was also. I'm sorry, I'm a little tired today, so I might sound like I'm talking a little wrong way. My tongue might sound a little tied up. But all I know is that he was someone that worked at Insomniac, and I think he died. So he was forever put into the game. And I think it might be, I think his name is Dan. If that's the guy that I'm thinking of, then he's in quite a few other games. You'll see when we get there, though. As to how he's in every other game, you'll see when we get there. Meantime, we are outside as Clank. One of the first times we get to play as the little guy. I know a lot of people hate on Clank levels, or Clank sections. Personally, I don't mind them at all. I think it's a cool aspect to the game, and well, I got nothing else to say.
Then press and hold the X button again while in the air to glide.
Thank you for that. Now, I've came back here a few times, and I already know this, but these steel crates do not yield any bolts. So if you thought you were going to come back here and make a quick payday, you're a little SOL. They do not yield any bolts. Oh, I forgot. This isn't Secret Agent Clank. I'm used to being able to jump, press the square button, and it releases it. I'm not sure what he releases, but he throws a bunch of stuff down on the ground, and it breaks crates and damages enemies. That's all I know. Think I can make that? I don't think I can make that. Yeah, no. I think, well, I'm not sure what these are used for, what those crates, probably just as a design, just aesthetics. Man, I really can't, that was a close one. Now, I remember in my last, just a fun and playthrough of the game for my own, for myself, I had actually died because this was the first place I died. As well, it's easy to walk off of this. So I'm just taking it nice and slow. I do apologize, but I don't want to die here. I remember as a kid, I always tried to go into into that thruster there. Unfortunately, that's when I first realized that, well, you can die in this game. Because up until that point, I didn't die. I find it weird that most of the time, I end up whenever I play, I end up dying right on that part. It's interesting, well, especially with the story I just told you guys, that I always try to jump in that thruster there. For whatever reason. Okay, here's a bigger enemy. We don't want to take that on, so let's look around a bit. See if there's anything that can help us do that. And I love Clank sections because of these guys here.
You have just activated a Gadgetbot. To command a Gadgetbot, hold down the triangle button and select Wait, Follow, Attack, or Enter.
So obviously, Help Desk Girl telling us how we can use this. Gonna go ahead and hit the attack. Second game, these guys really get an expansion on. Oh, you went ahead and took out all of them for me. Thank you. These guys get a little more of an expansion to it. Unfortunately, it did not carry over into the third game. I kind of wish it did, as I thought what they did in the second game for Gadgetbots was the best that they've ever done. Also, this game has a lot of amazing bridges in it.
The Gadgetron Hydro Displacer uses Insta-Faucets and Insta-Drains. Using it, you can drain and fill pools. Our sensors do not detect any on this space station.
I mean, this is definitely... as a kid, I always loved how these bridges would form. Some of the ones in the previous level, you turn a bolt crank and they would slowly come up from underneath. These ones here, that one there, you pressed a button, extended the platform, then it had all the pieces go out and that hit. Oh God, I liked it a lot. I can't even talk today.
I'm back. So you are. And I found this. Hey, cool. It's a, what is it? A hydro displacer. Great. I always wanted one of those, I guess.
Well, now you can make now you can dig out a hole and fill your new swimming pool, Ratchet. There you go. Alright, right or left? Let's go right.
This shuttle has an autopilot which will take you to a decommissioned Blarg warship. Our scanners indicate that there may be useful technology on board.
Well, if there's something I can use that's useful to me, we'll go ahead and get it. Now, of the many people I've seen play this game, they tend to die right around. This is also a good spot for a first death, too. For whatever reason, I do not know where that crate triggered from. It's a weird crate. Weird. On a decommissioned Blarg Station, you would think there'd be nobody on board. I mean, you would think. Wow, that was weird. How did it do that? Of course, we want all the bolts we can get, so we're going to come over here and also blow these guys up. So, I'm not sure how many we're going to have by the end of this. I'm thinking probably 18,000. That's my best guess. Sadly, that never increases the range. Oh, jeez, these guys come to play. They're easy to take on when there's only one or two of them. Third time's charm, of course. Alright. Oh, shiny button. I want to press shiny red button.
Thank you for selecting our automated self-destruct feature. Vessel annihilation sequence initiated. Please remove all personal belongings.
Oops. I didn't. Did I throw that? Alright, we gotta go. We're leaving.
Seriously, I'm not kidding. This whole place is about to explode. Really?
Oh, thank you. Thank you for letting me know that it was gonna explode. Alright, let's get out of here. You know what I love? It normally never happens like that, but the music this time around matched up with the ship. And that, whenever that happens, I always feel satisfied on the inside that happened.
This is Darla Gratch reporting live from Blackwater City. We've just learned that Captain Cork will be presenting the grand prize at the Intergalactic Hoverboard Championship, which will be held here over the next few days. In related news, this planet has recently been suffering from an infestation of strange amoeboid creatures. The city's administration has assured this reporter that every step has been taken to eradicate these nuisances. Darla Gratch, Channel 2 News.
Did you see that?
Yes, I hope that poor woman is all right.
She's fine, I think. I was talking about the hoverboard races.
Well, that lady was pretty sour about being swallowed up by a giant amoeboid. Also, that robot was just in the background going, "Hi, Mom! Look, I'm on TV!" Oh, crap. Oh! And then he got swallowed alive. I also tend to die there. Oh, I guess that was me. Once again, cannot purchase ammo, so... Oh, gotta use the suck cannon. Nope, did not want to do that. Hee hee hee. Oh, hello, Blarg fool.
Need a little help with these enemies? Try a Gadgetron counter. Available at any Gadgetron vendor.
Yeah, I'm good. Yeah, like... Oh! I should have seen that one coming. Oh, Jesus! Don't do that! Pardon my language. Okay, we're good. Alright, here we go. Another trespasser puzzle. Now this one can be particularly difficult at times. Especially since you have to control that. And... done. Gotta be careful, some of these crates will actually contain those... I don't know what to call them. Thank you for all those bomb ammos. Bomb ammos. Yep, that's proper English right there. And I know how to English goodly, apparently. So we're well over. Well, actually, now I might want to change that to more realistically, maybe 19,000. Why am I saying 19,000? Well, you'll see. I don't want to die. I don't want to die here. Ow. Surprised I didn't take another hit. Alright, I'll wait. There's some health up there. Now, keep in mind, guys, if you don't believe me when I say this, I haven't died yet. I've taken everything. I'm not cutting anything out. This is all happening right now. So this is the first time I've gone through this level. I haven't loaded back any saves. I haven't done anything of that sort. Alright, here's a fun room. Good job, me. I missed. I remember when I first got to this room, I was so terrified. As a kid, I found these things pretty terrifying. Ow, that's mean. Dang. Well, those guys are forever stuck. Maybe we can give them a helping hand. Because it looks... They're probably... Help us! We can't move! There's one. Oh! I heard, yay! Oh, oh, hey! He's going! Look at him! Oh, he fell off the roof. And I accidentally shot him. You don't think this hurts? Ah, alright, so checkpoint reached. Oh, aha. Oh, take that. Alright, I will show you another gold bolt location because we can't get to the other one. Here it is. Oh, there we go. And mainly because there's a lot of bolts here. Trying to think. There's one other thing that's also a couple, maybe one. Yeah, it's just one. Okay, so I won't show that, nor will I tell you what it is. You'll find out in a later episode. No, stop trying to hit that. Hit that. Yes. Don't push me off that ledge. I fall, I die. Going through this very systematically. I know I could be using the wrench on these guys, but I do want to also use my guns too, a little bit. Oh, okay then. I guess the game can go there. I needed not health. So here we go into our first our first boss battle. Okay. Oh boy. I did not want to have that happen. Two of them at a time is not hard. Oh, missed one. And KO. So there's the first boss battle. Not very hard. Oh, we're gonna be at 20,000. Not bad, not bad. I know we are over, but if you haven't figured out, we're gonna have to spend a few bolts this level. Where at? Well, actually not too much further. This video is going to be one of the longer ones because this is a bigger planet. It's very similar to Kurwan. And these guys drop in, but they're not immediately after us. They're after that poor scientist there. I'm just going to break a few things. Don't worry, I'll be right over there, sir. Alright, so can it out, and shroom.
Thought I was a goner this time. Some nano-wit in genetics must have left the cages open again. You could come down now. Honestly, a gadget engineer deserves a bit more respect, if you ask me.
So, you are an inventor.
Gadget engineer. I create revolutionary devices for Executive Chairman Drek. For instance, Viola. My soon-to-be patented grind boots. Look, I need to get out of here so I can find a new job. How about I sell you these? At cost. Sell? After we just saved your scrawny butt? All right. I'll give you the employee discount, too.
That's some employee discount. Oops. He didn't even phase. Smacked him, doesn't phase.
Well, thanks. I'm gonna get out of here while I still can.
As you can see, this game is all about money, and that right there proves it. How about I sell? I need to get out of here. Thank you for saving my life. Would you like to buy these? Excuse me? We just saved you. Okay, fine. You still have to purchase them, but we'll toss in a I'll give you the employee discount too. People are very, very greedy in this galaxy, which kind of fits the style of gameplay where, there's no skill point for getting all these bolts in one go. If there was, I don't think I could ever have done it. Oh, that hurt. Good thing you can't take damage for that. And that's everything on this planet. View missions, all missions complete. Should probably just preview that for all of them. I know there is a small area there that we missed. It's nothing special, I promise you that. Here, we still have one mission to do, but we don't have this right now. We're going to be getting that a little later on. Well, actually, next planet. Because you get the prize on Planet Realgar, and we just got the infobot for Planet Realgar, this planet. So, sorry if there was anybody who did not expect that, but spoilers. And then here, of course, we've been everywhere, basically. And, of course, all missions completed. So, that's going to be it for today. Thank you, everyone, for joining me in our Ratchet and Clank gameplay. Leave a like if you enjoyed, hit that subscribe button if you really enjoy, share to anybody you think will enjoy this or Elder Scrolls Legends. If you have any suggestions, any comments, or you have ideas on potential challenges for the Ratchet and Clank series, let me know in the comments section below or in any of my other videos. Once again, I am the Layback Gamer, and I am signing out. Take it easy, guys.